Messaging on the coronavirus needs to be clear and targeted. That's according to a group of scientists advising the government on social distancing. While Dr. Jeremy Rossman from the School of Biosciences has been both clear and targeted in his analysis throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. So Jeremy, thank you for joining me. And you've appeared a lot in the media talking about this. How important is it for experts to spread the correct information?
This is an absolutely critical component of the COVID-19 response because we're asking the public to do a tremendous amount and make a lot of sacrifices. So making sure that we are clearly communicating the rationale for this, what the current situation is, and why these actions are so important is absolutely critical. Now, this would be critical in any emergency situation, but right now we're also facing what's been called the infodemic. This is the tremendous amount of information, both correct as well as misinformation and disinformation that is going around on social media, on the web, on a lot of different platforms. And so it's even more important to be providing very clear, very specific, and very factual information that people can use in their daily lives.
And what have you made of the global response to the pandemic?
So there really is no global response. And this is something that is, a real problem and will become a bigger problem the longer this goes on, is that there is not a global response. What there is a collection of individual responses from individual countries. And these run an entire gamut from countries basically doing absolutely nothing, saying that COVID-19 is not a problem or that they've already cured COVID, to countries that have taken very strong preemptive action.
And it's had implications on public health and the economy. What other wider implications can it have, and how long are we going to be seeing this around?
Already, COVID has had a tremendous impact across many aspects of life, and this will continue for quite a while. But of course, how long COVID goes and how this pandemic progresses over the coming months to years will, of course, shape what we see in the long-term future.